3-3-2-2, 4-4-0-1, back 4 down, the wing inverted.
Now my final don't switch chairman for a division. Mama 3-4-5.
That's it. You see, I'm not lying to you. This guy, I know him. No coach team. You have SC Kambu. Kambu live Odin. I see this guy. I see him. No, but not even so. No problem. But Memobia Njina baby. Mobia mekan chamo say.
Is Sakura babes?
No, me can AI
Pep Guardiola.
Pep about Premier League. To most of father that Pep. And the Liverpool so called Pep.
And why am I raising these concerns? Just before this guy was Giovanni Van Bronckhorst.
Yeah.
Oba Rangers. And for a risk. Real Liverpool fan are fine when you're coach, but look, it's a big risk. Memo beyond that, say we a grade A coach, we accumulate grade C. Memo beyond that, he's not coming to even learn. This is first crack at the big club of that magnitude. So to say, let's not make it look like Eric Ten Hag na Michel. Shadrach, no Moka Holland na Jindi. He's the greatest manager to have ever lived. Shadrach, fansa video na Ten Hag no.
Sompa Sports.
No, I can't say too much. Intimate dim. Or say, wow, dear Kumia, what the baby I will can the ending fan hono. Can who say, or the team now boy fake fan back to back. Yanko.
From them.
If we speak,
I'm not sure. If they said it, I haven't heard it from them.
The fans we speak to, you look at social media, match-going fans have said it was embarrassing the way the team.
I have also heard other comments from them, from fans, that they are very happy that they are twice in FA Cup final in 2 years. We were not happy with it, and as I can see, the fans are not happy with it as well. But I think also they get feed by opinions, but all over what I heard, fans are very happy that we are again in FA Cup final, and even for Manchester United, it's not many of a business as usual, and they were not so often in the FA Cup final, and they were never 2 times in a row in the FA Cup final. I'm not sure.
I haven't heard it. And to say you fancy now to Kumasi. Now as I'm no crack and do baby. Now I go first start about 50 then and 70 then or move back to back. Near coach, the original bald Eric Ten Hag. Or they two be any say. Who don't mean to baby nko kan se menim. So you come me and answer oh yeah then they say and now no FA Cup na embarrassing. Ono ne catch Anthony Zonko say no. Because Omedru Omaba
Sompa Sports
back. And a team say asesano. Sane na no ye kan no. Team ne elite team. Omu ni elite coach.